The James Webb Telescope has provided the clearest image of Proxima B in history, revealing astonishing insights about this potentially habitable exoplanet. As we embark on a journey through space to uncover the mysteries of Proxima B, we seek to find out whether it could be the next Earth. This intriguing planet exists in the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. Proxima B isn't just any ordinary rock, it's Earth's cousin, located just 4.2 light-years away from us. This planet is shrouded in mystery and wonder. Could it be another Earth, with oceans and life flourishing on its surface? However, there's more to Proxima Centauri B than meets the eye. It isn't alone in its orbit around the red dwarf star, it has a companion. Perhaps there's another planet we have yet to discover. Proxima Centauri B receives roughly the same amount of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun. As we venture beyond our own solar system, we encounter a vast universe of planets that orbit stars other than the Sun. With approximately 200 billion stars in the galaxy, the possibilities for exoplanets are endless. Some even wander freely, untethered to any star, like rebellious explorers in space. Among them all, Proxima Centauri B stands out as a particularly striking and fascinating planet. Its year lasts just 11.2 Earth days, and it orbits its star at a distance much closer than Earth is to the Sun. This means that likely one side of the planet is perpetually bathed in sunlight while the opposite side remains in eternal darkness. Now, let's discuss Proxima Centauri, the star that Proxima B orbits. Proxima Centauri is part of the Alpha Centauri triple star system, which also includes Alpha Centauri A and B. Together, these stars form the closest star system to our own solar system. Alpha Centauri A and B are a binary system, appearing as one star in the constellation Centaurus, and are the third brightest stars in our night sky, with a magnitude of less than 2.7. Proxima Centauri, also known as Alpha Centauri C, is a red dwarf star located 2.1 light-years away from the other two stars, roughly 4 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. It is, in fact, the closest star to us. As its name implies, Proxima means nearest in Latin. Discovered in 1915 by Scottish astronomer Robert Thorburn, Proxima Centauri, despite being our nearest celestial neighbor, is not visible to the naked eye. It has an apparent magnitude of 11.13, which is much fainter than the visible limit of 6.5. Nonetheless, don't let that fool you. Proxima Centauri is still a star worth marveling at. Red dwarf stars like Proxima Centauri are among the most efficient in terms of energy production. They may not produce a great deal of energy, but the internal convection processes at their cores keep them shining for trillions of years. In fact, Proxima Centauri will remain a stable main sequence star for another 4 trillion years. However, the habitability of a red dwarf star like Proxima Centauri is still debated. For one, it's a flare star, meaning it experiences regular and intense variations in brightness. As a low-mass star, its habitable zone would be much closer than the Sun's, projected to be between 0.23 and 0.5 astronomical units. However, it's not as livable as it appears. Proxima B is bombarded by intense ultraviolet radiation from its star, many times stronger than the radiation we receive from our Sun. This radiation is so powerful that even the lightest particles of hydrogen could be stripped away, not to mention nitrogen and oxygen. Just because a planet is at the right distance from its star doesn't mean it can support life. Proxima B may not have a stable atmosphere, which is crucial for regulating temperature and maintaining a water-friendly surface. Without it, living organisms would be vulnerable to harsh space weather, making life nearly impossible. To uncover the truth about Proxima B continues. One instrument that has captured the attention of astronomers is the James Webb Telescope. After several delays, the telescope was finally launched in 2018 and will help us determine whether there is life on Proxima B. As with all scientific endeavors, things are never as clear as they seem. Various modifications were required to ensure that the James Webb Telescope delivers accurate images. Avi Loeb, a theoretical physicist at Harvard, explains that if a planet like Proxima B can absorb light from its star, it can also emit it as infrared light. The James Webb Telescope is specifically designed to detect infrared light, capturing images of this light on the planet's surface and searching for patterns that could confirm the presence of water or an atmosphere. The mere presence of an atmosphere doesn't guarantee the existence of life, cautions Ed Turner, an astrophysicist at Princeton University. Proxima B could be similar to Venus, with a thick atmosphere far denser than Earth's, accompanied by extreme heat that would make it impossible for life to exist. The journey to unravel the mysteries of Proxima B isn't without its challenges. While the James Webb Telescope holds promise, there are other factors to consider. With costs mounting, astronomers feel the pressure to find a way to observe planets like Proxima B. The stakes are high, but the rewards are even greater. The opportunity to explore the unknown and unveil the secrets of a distant planet that holds the potential for life is a pursuit worth undertaking. If the exoplanet were habitable, being the closest exoplanet to us makes it especially exciting, almost like exploring our infinite backyard. Even more captivating is the fact that it is roughly the same size as Earth, and its position in the habitable zone suggests it could indeed have conditions suitable for life. Proxima B's proximity also makes it an ideal target in our search for life beyond Earth. With it being so close, it presents an incredible opportunity for interstellar missions. Imagine the chance to explore this Earth-like exoplanet. Although we can't yet go there, it is certainly on the radar for future missions. As technology advances, it is one of the most thrilling quests in the field of space exploration. However, it's no simple task. It would take 75,000 years for a spacecraft like Voyager 2 to reach the Proxima Centauri system. Nevertheless, a solution has been proposed: solar sails. These ultra-thin sails could be used to propel a spacecraft to the Alpha Centauri system and Proxima alongside it. This technology utilizes solar pressure to keep the spacecraft on course, eliminating the issue of running out of fuel. Here's something even cooler. This cutting-edge technology could provide insights into the possibility of life on other planets like Proxima B. However, as with anything ambitious, there are limitations. For example, the presence of an atmosphere doesn't necessarily ensure the existence of life. Proxima B could be akin to Venus, with a thick, hot atmosphere inhospitable to life. Moreover, the James Webb Telescope has the capability to detect such light if it reaches a brightness of only 5% of the daytime side. Now, 5% might not seem like much, but when dealing with a star that is typically dimmer than our Sun, it's quite significant. If Proxima B has advanced technology, it might be using bright orbital mirrors to reflect sunlight from the day side to the night side. There are countless exoplanets waiting to be discovered in our universe. These planets come in all shapes and sizes, with some being colossal gas giants, while others resemble our own Earth. One type of exoplanet that has caught the attention of space specialists is the gas giant. These planets are similar in composition to Jupiter and Saturn, but are much larger. Some of these behemoths have been dubbed super-Jupiters, overshadowing even the largest planet in our solar system. Yet, that's not all. There are also hot Jupiter's gas giants that orbit extremely close to their host stars, existing in scorching environments with temperatures high enough to melt metal. Imagine seeing such a planet up close, with its violent storms and intense heat. In addition to gas giants, there are also Neptunian exoplanets, which have sizes similar to Uranus and Neptune. Among these are hot Neptunes and mini-Neptunes, which are smaller and closer to their host stars than their gas giant cousins. These planets often remain shrouded in mystery, as their atmospheres are difficult to study from a distance. We also shouldn't overlook terrestrial planets, which resemble our own Earth. These planets vary in size, ranging from smaller than our world to twice its size. There are even super-Earths, which have masses over twice that of our planet but are lighter than Neptune. One of the most intriguing exoplanets recently discovered is Proxima Centauri B, which orbits the star of the same name. This planet is classified as a super-Earth with a rocky mass of 7 Earth masses. Although it is close to its host star, it is still too far away to be considered well within the habitable zone. Proxima Centauri B is not alone. It has a companion, Proxima Centauri C, which is significantly farther from the star. This planet has an orbital period of around 5 Earth years and was discovered in 2012 using pre-recovery Hubble data. What's even more interesting about Proxima Centauri C is that it appears to be an exceptionally bright world, possibly due to reflective surface materials or atmospheric effects. Many exoplanets are discovered through the changes they induce in their host stars. The gravitational influence of an exoplanet can cause its host star to wobble, and this radial velocity can be detected by astronomers. The Kepler Space Telescope utilized the transit method, measuring the dimming of a star's light when an exoplanet passes in front of it. This technique has provided valuable information about exoplanets, including their size, distance, and temperature. With over 4,000 exoplanets discovered so far, we know they exist in abundance throughout the galaxy. Hot Jupiters, with their mass and rapid rotation, are the easiest to find, but countless other exoplanets are waiting to be detected. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope is revealing the secrets of the universe one discovery at a time. This remarkable telescope has been gathering data and capturing stunning images of the cosmos, unveiling previously unknown wonders.